Hello, magandang buhay kids. So it's math time again. This is Teacher Cheryl. Samahan niyo ko na matutunan natin ng sabay-sabay kung paano mag-add ng fraction. Are you ready? Okay, very good. Let us proceed with our next topic related to fraction. So ngayon, we have addition of mixed fractions with same denominator. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? Pakinggan mabuti as we go on with our discussion. Okay? Addition of mixed fractions with same denominator. Ano ang ibig sabihin nito, teacher? Anong ibig sabihin ulit ng mixed fractions? At ano ang ibig sabihin ulit ng same denominator? Okay, ulitin natin. Ang ibig sabihin ng mixed fraction ay ang fraction ay may kasamang whole number. Kasama niya ang fraction at ang whole number. Okay? So we have 2 and 2/6 plus 4 and 1/6. So, kung nakikita ninyo ang ating mga whole number, may kasamang fraction. So, ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng same denominator, teacher? So, same denominator means pareho ang ating denominator. So, sa ating given, pareho silang 6. Okay, mga anak? So, let us proceed with our addition of mixed fractions with same denominator. Our given is 2 and 2/6 plus 4 and 1/6. Unang gagawin is to add our whole number. So 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. You already have your whole number. Next, you will going to add our numerator. So 2 plus 1. And then copy our denominator. Next, copy our whole number. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Of course, copy our denominator. Ano ang denominator natin? Yes, very good. 6. Ayan po. Now, kids, may answer na tayo. 6 and 3, 6. Sa tingin ninyo ba, final na ang ating sagot? Okay, hindi pa. Mayroon pang number na pwede nating i-divide sa parehong numerator and denominator. Ano kaya itong number? Isipin nyo mabuti. Okay, kids, very good. Maghahanap tayo ng number na divisible kay 3 at 6, which is 3. Si 3 divisible kay 3, ang 3 ay divisible kay 6. So, let us divide. 3 divided by 3. Tapos, 6 divided by 6. Kopyahin natin ang ating whole number. Ito, kinopya lang natin dito. Then, proceed tayo dito. I-divide natin. 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. And 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. Now, kids, itong 6 and 1/2 will serve as our final answer. Yan na po ang ating final answer. Okay? So, hopefully, may natutunan kayo sa araw na ito. Ang gagawin lamang ninyo is to practice at home. Okay po? Maliwanag po ba? Very good. And thank you for listening. This is Teacher Cheryl, and that's all for today. God bless everyone.